Assalamu alaikum. Again, welcome back to the conversation. When you don't want to discover the truth and put on the lens of prejudice and present something in a bad light, you distort the thing and hide the facts. I watched the second last video of the respected doctor. Dr. Sahib did the same. Dr. Sahib presented 7 names which are considered as great reciter of the Holy Quran in the Islamic world. Nafi from Medina, Ibn Kathir from Mecca, Abu Amr from Basra, Ibn Amir from Damascus, Asim al-Kasai and Hamza from Kufa. According to the respected doctor, the Muslims claim that these people are the companions of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Then the doctor tells the date of their death. The doctor says that Nafi died in 785 AD, Ibn Kathir in 738 AD, Abu Amr in 770 AD, Ibn Amir in 736 AD, Asim in 745 AD, Hamza in 772 AD, and Al-Kisai in 805 AD. Now the doctor concludes that how unreasonable is the statement of the Muslims that these people are the companions of the Holy Prophet, while these people died in 8th or 9th century, and Muhammad, peace be upon him, died in 632 AD. So how can they be the companions of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, while in 632 AD Muslim did not go to these areas, nor did Islam enter these areas? Apparently, this conversation is so scholarly, and how beautiful this research is. But wait a moment, I ask the respected doctor and those people who agree with him, in which book of ours is this claim, and which Islamic scholar says it? Sir, the fact that is in our book is that the late people transmitted our traditions and ahadith from breast to breast and orally, and individual writings continued to be written in the form of copies and journals. After some time, the coming scholars gave them a regular book form. We did not claim that our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, continued to go to these areas. These are your own assumptions, and you have built an edifice on these baseless assumptions. You can see the periods and details of these people in our books named Asma Rijal, books of names of men. It doesn't beautify a scholar to distort the facts and mislead people just because of disagreement. We will discuss some other absurd things from this video in the next video. Goodbye.